idea. What is this white people food?
This is it. This is a home version of fast salad. Fast salad. Hello guys, this is Left Chef Show. We're back again. Some of my friends were asking what I'm cooking for myself. This is one of my favorite salads. We've got cherry tomatoes, corn, lime, cucumber, garlic, beans, oil, apple, avocado, kale. So I want to say a few words about the kale. That's one of the best source of vitamin C. This is so good for protection of heart. And we have a side dish that's potato. You can change it into quinoa, sweet potato, white beans, red beans, buckwheat, whatever you like. And as dressing, we're gonna smash avocado, add some lime, garlic. We start from potatoes, taking potatoes, cutting into cubes, pinch of salt, cover it up, and we keep going cutting all of this. So we don't need the stems. We hold the leaves like this and doing these things. This is not successful one. I'll try to do this. So yeah, it looks kind of this way. We're gonna make fast dressing. So we need a garlic, avocado, and olive oil. Today I have tiny cutting board. That's a bit challenging me. Garlic in. So we put some salt. Whenever you put a salt, it will release the flavors and juice. Lime. And avocado. Look at the story. A little bit of black pepper. Normally I chop chili, but today we have a guy who doesn't need it at all. And mash it by fork. We want to make something nice and fast and healthy. So this is it. Puree is ready, and we just chop all the stuff. Cucumber, paprika, corn. Tomatoes. We have parsley and dill as well. Dill we're gonna put in potato. Normally you can use a food processor, it's gonna be much faster. but I don't want. I don't want to wash. I don't like to wash a lot of things. We're chopping dill and garlic while our potatoes is cooking. It's almost ready. You have to do just mix up the salad, add dill and garlic with butter. This is it, and it's ready to go. Here we add the butter.
So many guests today.
Potatoes. Oh yeah, I just forgot to add the salt. So once again. So basically food is ready. I would like to add some ghost chili when I make it for myself. So I will just mix it up and serve it for the guest. We have our avocado dressing on the bottom of the bowl and cooked potatoes. Well,
Hiya, what is this white people food? You look like Jamie Oliver. Hiya. Put some MSG.
This one.
try that, Uncle John.
Uncle John now try. Huh? Yeah, boring. For the healthy food, already very good. Yeah.
It's nice for me. I like it.
Are you hungry or you like it?
I like it. I like it. No, you try. Auntie Fifi.
No.
Auntie Fifi.
Try. Okay, so it looks like good in Indonesia. Let me try this one. So the potato is like new things for me. Probably it's like, but this one is literally tastes like gado-gado. It's good. It's good. I like this.
Eat good food, stay healthy. See you soon. Ciao.